Don't eat Lego. Don't put it in your mouth. Don't. Well, unless it's one of these 5 Lego sets. There are some Lego pieces that you are meant to put in your mouth. And some of these sets are actually kind of awesome. So let's see the cool ones and let's see the weird ones. Let's begin with the most unique item on this list. Certainly the coolest one. It's Lego Set 118, Electronic Train. So the way this Lego set works is that you get this whistle. And by blowing on the whistle, you cause the train to move and stop depending on how you blow it. Yeah, that's crazy, right? How does that even work? Well, what's even more wild is how old this set is. It released back in 1968. Yeah, 1968. I had no idea technology this old could do something this, I don't know, sophisticated. Wow. It's kind of a shame that we've not seen something like this in modern sets. I would buy that in a heartbeat. It's cool. Although, if you do want to buy it today, good luck. Due to the age of this set and the high demand, well, there's none for sale on Bricklink right now. None. However, some have sold in the last about 6 months, and they sold for thousands of dollars. Yeah, this set is rare, hard to find, and very, very expensive. It's also totally possible you can buy this set and the technology doesn't work anymore. So unfortunately, you're probably going to have to pay a little bit more and buy one in, really good condition. Man, if this wasn't so expensive, I would buy this instantly. It's such an interesting little piece of history. If you want to see this train in action, I recommend you watch this video by Brickzar. I'll include a link below. That's definitely worth checking out. Alright, number 2. Lego at one point released these wearable, glow-in-the-dark Paraka teeth. Yeah, now you can cosplay your favorite Bionicle Paraka set. Replicate their awesome big teeth. This is so weird, but so cool. Yeah, this is a funky little promotional item that debuted back in 2006. It's certainly not something you see every day. In fact, I had no idea this existed until a few years ago. I don't know, some of the items that came out in 2006 are very different to what we get today. I mean, this doesn't even look like a Lego set, but that's what makes it cool. So maybe you're looking at this and you're like, oh, I must buy. Well, you can get some on Bricklink right now. However, they're not cheap. Prices average about $75 US for one of them. That's kind of wild. Still, it's certainly unique. And yeah, you have to put it in your mouth. Continuing the list of weird, strange, but kind of cool Lego sets that you are meant to put in your mouth. It's more stuff from the best Lego theme. We have a Baraki water bottle. I mean, yeah, if you want to drink that water, you gotta put it in your mouth. Actually, hey, the design of this water bottle is kind of sick. Because as you can see, it rests at an angle. It's very similar to the canisters for those exact same Baraki sets. Isn't it cool? Stylizing some of your promotional products to mimic the actual sets. I love that consistent design language. It just goes to show the care and dedication that Lego always puts into their products. I love that. Now, Lego, of course, today still makes water bottles. They're a little different, and unfortunately, there's no Bionicle ones. But these are still pretty cool. And yeah, it is designed for you to put it in your mouth. Not a lot of pieces are designed to do that, but this is. Number 4. Well, if you liked that whistle that we talked about before, I've got another one. Lego Duplo Set 3616, On the Move Police Station. It features a Duplo brick that doubles as a whistle. Unfortunately, this one doesn't make a train move. I wish it did. This is purely just meant to be used for roleplay purposes. Pretend you're a police officer, blow your whistle, all that kind of stuff. Still, it's a really cool looking piece. And this set, it's so original. A backpack that you can wear and take with you, but then you open it up and it's a Lego set. Like a 2-story building with a jail cell. Nice. Now, let's actually look at the box art for this set because it is strange. What is going on with these little dudes? The box art for Duplo sets has certainly changed over the years. Wow. So, this set came out all the way back in 2002. Isn't it interesting to take a look back at the past and see the kind of crazy stuff LEGO was making all the way back then. I don't know, it brings me so much joy. This is wacky, weird, and kind of awesome. Our final LEGO set today. It's a Primo teething butterfly. So LEGO Primo, it's kind of like a sub-theme of Duplo. They don't really make it anymore, but you know, it's your basic stuff. Big bricks made for little kids. So it only makes sense that a teething toy like this would exist. You see it in pretty much every other kid's toy, and this is very appropriate. And honestly, the butterfly looks really cool, really fun, really cute. But you know what's even better? These strange toys can be great inspiration for custom Bionicle creations. That's right. LEGO builder Jockson has a few of these that he's used on some Bionicle mocks. That's nice, they inform some very interesting and very unique character designs. The silly faces, the bright colors, the unique shapes. They offer an excellent level of contrast to the darker colors and sharper angles. The kind of stuff you typically see on older Bionicle pieces. Like these. Yeah, the goofy faces adds a lot of personality to these characters and creatures. It's cool. Sometimes some of the strangest LEGO items can be the perfect inspiration for your next mock. And it can lead to some of the best stuff ever. These are great. You know, old LEGO sets are some of the most interesting things to look at. It's a fascinating look back at old LEGO history. And yet there's a surprising amount of items that you can put in your mouth. But only put these ones in your mouth, don't put other ones in there. Don't hurt yourself. Don't eat the LEGO, don't. But anyway, that's all for today, guys. If you want to see a few more creations by Jockson, well then take a look at the links below. You can find his social media and a few other things down there. Otherwise, you can find links to my social media in the description below as well. And if you enjoyed this video, there's plenty other videos in the playlist Weird and Rare Sets. Take a look at that and see even more crazy, cool, and rare LEGO items. There's plenty of cool stuff to watch elsewhere on the channel. Thanks for watching, happy building, and bye for now. What? You asked for weird videos? And now I've got you one. I hope you enjoyed. Wow, Ben, that was a lot of Primo stuff. Are you secretly telling us that you're having a child? No. A lot of people think that's the news that I haven't shared yet, the big secret thing that I'm not talking about. But no, that's still coming. Don't worry. I'll announce it soon.